When implementing the subagents pattern, you'll make several design decisions that determine how agents communicate, execute tasks, and exchange information. The first decision is choosing synchronous or asynchronous execution, depending on whether the main agent must wait for the subagent's result. In synchronous execution, the main agent pauses while the research subagent completes its work before responding to the user. The weather request shows the main agent waiting until research finishes before answering that Tokyo is currently 72 degrees and sunny. Choose synchronous execution when the response depends on the subagent, tasks follow a sequence, or failures should block the final reply. Synchronous execution is simple to implement, but users must wait until every required subagent completes its assigned work. Asynchronous execution starts a background job, allowing the main agent to stay responsive while the subagent continues working independently. The main agent starts the contract review, immediately receives a job identifier, and informs the user that processing has begun. While the review continues, the user can request the current status, and the main agent reports that processing is still running. After completion, the main agent retrieves the finished contract analysis and delivers the review findings back to the user. Background execution commonly follows a three-tool pattern: start the job, check its status, and retrieve the completed result. Choose synchronous execution when results are immediately required, and asynchronous execution when background work should not interrupt the conversation.